Hi, today we are going to see one more transformation from Informatica, that is Union Transformation. What is the purpose of the Union Transformation? Union Transformation is a multiple input group transformation that helps us to merge the data from multiple pipelines into one pipeline branch. It works similar to the union all SQL statement, which combines the result of two or more SQL statements. Similar to the union null statement, the union transformation does not remove the duplicate rows. Now we will see one small example to illustrate this. Okay, I am going to use two input groups, that is department number 10 and department number 20. These are all nothing but it contains the department number 10 employee related details and department number 20 employee related details. These two input files to be merged into a single output file. First we need to import it, source files, and it is easy to import, and make sure that import from the second column, that means second row. Start imported second row, otherwise that columns will also be imported. Sorry, column headings will also be imported, and make sure that data type is right. Here it is date time, here it is numeric, this is numeric, and this is numeric. Okay, finish, save it. Department number 10 we have imported, and department number 20 we are going to import. Make sure the data type is right. Alright. Okay. Here I have already created one map, that is m underscore dpt underscore union, and target also I have already created. Target is also the flat file, and very easy to create the target flat file. Here itself we can create it by using this create. You can create the target flat file. I have already created it, and I'm just dragging the source over here. Just arrange it neatly, and we are going to use the union transformation. This is the icon for the union transformation. You have to click like this and drag it. Okay. And we are going to see what are all the guidelines for the union transformation, how the union transformation can be used. First thing is you can create multiple input groups. You can have multiple input groups for union transformation, but output group should be only one. All input groups and the output groups must have the matching ports. That means you cannot drag the different ports. That means the input in the first input group, if you are dragging the employee number and employee name, then second also the similar one you should drag. You cannot drag the employee number and some other thing like hire date and all that. So all input groups and output groups should have the matching port. The precision, data type and scale must be identical across all the groups. You should not be different one. One date format and one string format you cannot combined. Okay, the union transformation does not remove the duplicate rows. If you want to remove the duplicate rows, means you have to add one sorted transformation or router or filter transformation to remove the duplicates. You cannot use the sequence generator or update strategy transformation upstream from a union transformation. The union transformation does not generate transactions. These guidelines you should remember always. Okay, and here I'm going to change the name as department 10. And one more group I need to create, that is department number 20. Now we will see what happened now. There will be two input groups here, and for this you can connect the second input group. First input group got connected. I have connected the two input groups, and output group is at the top, and we need to connect the output group to the target. Okay, now the map is valid, and remember that while renaming you should follow the naming convention. The union transformation always start with UN. Okay, for expression transformation it starts with EXP, and for filter transformation it starts with FAL. This is the standard naming convention. You should remember this. For other thing also is there. For source means SRC underscore, and for target TGT underscore. At least for a transformation I'm just using that naming convention. In real time we have to follow the naming convention for all the things including source and target. Okay, and workflow already I have created it, and just I'm refreshing it because we have recreated the map. Now we are going to run. Okay, we need to set the path. Actually this is contains all default path, and we need to set the path. Actually here I am having in this directory the data file. And I will set the path now. Okay, it shows succeeded actually. Here it shows succeeded, but in result there is no rows got affected. So we will see what happened actually. That means here there is a data overflow / conversion error. We need to find what is the reason it shows the overflow error. That means the data types mismatch is that it shares the invalid data. We need to find it out what is the reason. Okay, and here there is one format available. Here the datetime format is in the form of month, date and year. Okay, and in our source, actually in our source the format is date, month and year, so we need to change it accordingly. So what we have to do is here we need to change. This is the format we are having, so it shows the conversion error. We need to change it. Now we will see what happens. Actually, we need to change it both. The only one got succeeded because we have changed in only department 10. We need to change this also. Okay, then it will work. Remember this to change, otherwise it will show the error. Okay, now the target contains the 10 rows. Here here 5 rows it got from one data file and another 5 rows from the other department 20 data file. Both the things got merged and formed a single output file. So we will check the output now. So output file, I think path where I have set. Okay, tgt dept. Okay, this is the file name and it has got 10 rows. Okay, both the data files got merged, each contains 5, and now the output file contains the 10 records. This is the way you should use the union transformation.